Welcome back to AI Brief, everybody. We're on episode 30 already. I'm Amin.
And I'm Leah, ready for another deep dive into the world of AI.
And things are moving faster than ever. New models, huge investments, even some public disagreements making waves. So let's start with Google DeepMind's latest experiment, Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking.
It's definitely been getting attention, especially for how it's performing on those math and science reasoning benchmarks, actually exceeding past versions and even beating out some of OpenAI's models on certain tests.
Yeah, I was reading about its 1 million token context window. What does that even mean, practically speaking?
So a token is basically a chunk of text, a word or punctuation like that. And the context window is like how much information the model can handle all at once. A 1 million token context window means Gemini 2.0 could analyze, say, hundreds of pages of text at the same time.
Wow, that's a huge jump. Think of what that could do for research, writing, even like really complex problem solving.
Yeah, absolutely. And for now, during beta testing, Google's made Gemini 2.0 free. It's interesting, right? Because OpenAI has that subscription model for their most advanced one. I wonder how that'll affect how accessible, how widely used these AI tools become.
Speaking of OpenAI, things haven't been exactly quiet over there. Elon Musk has come out publicly challenging the funding behind their huge Stargate project.
The Stargate project, right. It's aiming to build like a massive AI infrastructure all across the U.S., got big investments. Companies like Oracle and SoftBank are supposedly involved.
But Musk is saying SoftBank's commitment is way less than what's been said publicly.
Yeah.
Basically, he's questioning the whole project's financial stability.
And this is all playing out on X, right? Back and forth between Musk and Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO. Altman even invited Musk to come see the project's construction site, called him the most inspiring entrepreneur even. It's complicated. Musk being an AI competitor and a government advisor just adds to it all.
Then you've got Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella publicly confirming their investment in the Stargate project. And they've been close with OpenAI for a while, so their support definitely matters.
Definitely. Meanwhile, ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, they're moving up fast in the AI race. Their latest model, Doubao 1.5 Pro, is getting praise for being efficient and powerful.
Yeah, they say it uses less computing power than others, but gets similar, even better results.
Right, and they're pricing it competitively, too. Plus, they've open-sourced their reinforcement learning library. That's called VRL. And it's key for the model to learn, through trial and error, to reach what's called O1 level reasoning.
They also released UITARS, that open-source GUI AI agent. So that means it can interact with your computer based on screenshots, like visually.
Exactly. Imagine you take a screenshot of your spreadsheet. The AI could potentially analyze the data, make reports, even do commands based on what it sees. It shows how AI is getting more interactive, more intuitive.
And it shows Chinese AI companies are becoming major players globally, even with those chip restrictions they face. Their innovation speed is incredible.
It is. Let's look at Alphabet now, Google's parent company. They just invested another $1 billion in Anthropic.
Anthropic, the company behind Claude, that AI model a lot of people see as a rival to ChatGPT. This investment is going to boost Anthropic's computing power so they can keep developing, keep scaling their models.
And remember, Amazon also has a stake in Anthropic, $8 billion worth. We're seeing a pattern here. Tech giants like Alphabet, Amazon, putting big money into AI companies that are directly challenging OpenAI. It makes you wonder about the future of the AI landscape.
Yeah, is it more collaboration or is it a fight for control over this tech that's changing so fast? Hard to say, but one thing's for sure. AI is getting woven into these big tech strategies.
For sure. And then there's the whole regulatory side. Governments worldwide are figuring out how to regulate AI. These investments could be companies positioning themselves for when those new rules, those regulations come into play.
Speaking of strategies, Samsung made some noise at their Galaxy Unpacked event. They're phasing out Bixby. Alphabet's Gemini is becoming the default AI assistant on future Galaxy phones.
Looks like Samsung is shifting from their own AI to a third-party platform. The Galaxy S25, their flagship, is going to be very AI-focused. A new AI-capable Snapdragon chip and a 6-month free trial of Gemini Advanced.
One of the coolest things they announced is the personal data engine. It'll analyze data from different apps and personalize your whole phone experience. Imagine an AI assistant that gets your preferences, anticipates what you need.
That's what's also called agentic AI. An AI that acts for you, does tasks, manages your digital life smoother than ever before. Samsung is also pushing the integration of Gemini across their apps, for a more unified, more intuitive user experience.
Like they gave examples. You could ask Gemini to find details about a game, then invite a friend, add it to your calendar all at once.
And with Project Astra, users can share their screen, even a live video feed, with Gemini for real-time help. Imagine pointing your phone's camera at a problem, and the AI walks you through the solution, like having an AI expert on call 24/7.
And on top of that, Samsung and Alphabet even hinted at a new XR headset, codenamed Project Muhan. Details are scarce, but it seems they're joining the race to build those next-gen immersive experiences.
It's exciting to follow all this. We're seeing leaps in hardware, software, what AI can do. It's clear AI isn't just some futuristic idea anymore. It's shaping our world right now. It's incredible, right, how fast everything's moving. And get this, OpenAI is already working on the thing that comes after their O3 reasoning model, and O3 isn't even out yet.
So the next generation is already being built before the current one's even released.
Wild. OpenAI's CPO, Kevin Weil, he hinted that it'll be another big jump in what these models can do. And it seems they're looking at options beyond just Microsoft for all the computing power they'll need.
Right, I read Microsoft still has first dibs, but that cloud agreement's changed a bit.
Yeah, now OpenAI can do deals with other companies for infrastructure to handle the massive amount of computing needed to train these huge language models. Could change the whole dynamic between them and Microsoft.
Especially with Mustafa Suleyman, now CEO of Microsoft AI. There's been talk of tension between him and Sam Altman at OpenAI.
Salesforce's CEO, Mark Benioff, even mentioned it, said the tension started after Suleyman went to Microsoft. It'll be interesting to see how all these relationships play out as the AI competition heats up.
While that's happening, other companies are making progress using AI in specific fields, like Ramp. They've launched this AI-powered platform called Ramp Treasury.
It's supposed to be revolutionary for managing business cash, automatic balance alerts, predictions about cash flow, even self-driven finance options. Businesses can optimize their whole financial side.
Big deal for companies trying to streamline, get ahead.
And there's more coming. Rumors about OpenAI's Operator tool, supposed to take AI assistance to a whole other level.
What's the deal with Operator?
It's supposed to give ChatGPT the ability to do what are called agentic tasks. Stuff that requires interaction with the actual world. Like imagine you tell your AI assistant to order food, book a flight, even plan a vacation, and it just does it.
That would change everything, from little daily things to big projects. The possibilities are endless.
And it's not just Silicon Valley. Tencent, the Chinese tech giant, they unveiled Hunyuan 3D 2.0, open source, and pretty amazing what it can do.
So what does Hunyuan 3D 2.0 bring to the table?
It's all about making 3D objects, like describe a chair, and the AI creates a detailed 3D model of it. Huge implications for designers, architects, game developers, anyone using 3D models.
That's really something. And for video editing, Adobe Premiere Pro is getting a big AI upgrade with their Media Intelligence feature.
Media Intelligence uses AI to make searching through video footage way easier. Instead of scrubbing through hours of video, you just describe what you want using normal language, and the AI finds the clips.
So it's like an AI assistant that understands your videos and can find exactly what you need. They've even got AI-powered translation for captions, supporting 17 languages. That's a huge step for accessibility.
Accessibility is becoming really important in AI. Alphabet just launched a Chrome OS feature that lets users control their Chromebook using head movements and facial expressions.
Fantastic for users with motor impairments. It shows a real commitment to making tech more inclusive, more empowering for everyone.
And let's not forget about the money flowing into all this. Databricks, they help businesses use AI for data analysis, just got a whopping $10 billion in Series J funding.
$10 billion, that's massive. What's their valuation now?
They're at a cool $62 billion. They even got backing from Meta for the first time, which is a big deal.
And it's not just Databricks. Lots of other companies making waves in AI have gotten big funding too. Clay, an AI sales platform, just raised $40 million.
Lindus Health, they're based in London. They use AI to speed up clinical trials. They raised $55 million. And they even have Peter Thiel on board, the billionaire who invested early in Facebook and PayPal.
It's clear investors are pouring money into AI across the board.
StackBlitz, the company behind that really innovative text-to-code platform, Bolt.new, they're about to raise $83.5 million, which would put their value at $700 million. And then there's Prophecy. They do AI-powered data integration solutions. They just secured $47 million.
With all this investment, it's no wonder the AI world is changing so quickly. Everyone, big companies and startups alike, are racing to build and use the next generation of AI.
Speaking of exciting new tools, let's look at some of the most promising AI applications that are gaining traction right now. Ready for a quick tour?
Let's do it. What's grabbing everyone's attention in the world of AI tools?
First off, we've got Sonar by Perplexity. This is a game changer for developers who want to build in real-time information into their apps.
So instead of static data, apps can use up-to-the-minute information powered by AI.
Exactly. Think of a travel app that gives you live updates on flight delays, traffic, local events, all based on where you are right now. That's the power of Sonar. And for designers, there's a great combo making waves. Lovable and Builder.io.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Tell me more about this dynamic design duo.
Basically, they let designers take their Figma designs and turn them straight into working apps using AI. Imagine making a sleek interface in Figma, a few clicks, and the AI writes the code, sets up the infrastructure, brings your design to life.
That could be revolutionary for app design, make the whole process so much faster and easier. And for those of us who, well, struggle with meetings, there's this new AI tool, Meet Minutes.
Meet Minutes wants to change how we deal with meetings. AI automatically takes notes, picks out action items, even summarizes the key points. No more frantic note-taking while you're trying to participate.
That would be amazing. And for content creators, we've got Video Llama, an AI-powered tool that makes video creation simple.
Video Llama lets anyone make pro-looking narrated videos in minutes, even if you've never edited video before. You give it the script, AI does the rest. Visuals, music, even syncing the narration.
Very cool. And for those who are concerned about AI-generated content and whether it's reliable, whether it's safe, there's Overseer AI.
Overseer AI tackles a big part of responsible AI development, checking the content. Developers can use it to validate AI-generated stuff through API calls, making sure it meets safety and quality standards. This is key for building trust in AI and stopping the spread of bad or misleading information.
Sounds like Overseer AI is playing a crucial role in making sure AI development is ethical and responsible. And for businesses looking to improve how they interact with customers, there's OpenChord AI.
OpenChord AI is an agent, powered by AI, designed to help businesses find the right customers and tailor interactions so they convert better. It analyzes customer data, spots potential leads, adjusts messaging, and offers to match what people want.
So it's like an AI sales team working 24/7 to optimize customer engagement and boost sales. And for anyone doing product research, creating guides, there's Roundups.
Roundups uses AI to do deep product research and make those compelling guides that influence what people buy. Gathers info from everywhere, analyzes reviews, compares features, and then presents it all in a clear, engaging way so consumers can make good choices.
Sounds useful for both consumers and businesses. And for those who like to journal, there's My Audio Journal.
My Audio Journal puts a new spin on journaling. You record your thoughts, your experiences with audio. Then AI transcribes it and even analyzes what you said for insights.
That's an interesting concept. Could be a powerful way to look back on personal growth, see emotional patterns, really understand yourself better over time. We've got two more tools to talk about, Human Linker and Munch.
Human Linker is like an AI assistant for sales. It helps find leads, gather info, and personalize outreach, all to communicate better.
Like having a virtual assistant who's a sales expert, helps teams work smarter and close deals. What about Munch?
Munch is for content creators who want to get the most out of social media. AI creates those catchy, short clips from longer videos, the kind that grab attention on platforms like TikTok and Instagram.
Smart move in today's world where people's attention spans are so short. It's clear, with all these new AI tools popping up, that we're entering a whole new era of productivity, creativity, even innovation.
From automating those everyday tasks to creating content to giving us insights, AI is changing the way we work, the way we create, how we interact with everything around us.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the world of AI. We're just scratching the surface here, and I can't wait to see what happens next.
Until next time, keep that curiosity going and keep exploring the incredible possibilities of AI.
And don't forget to follow AI Brief